Hello everyone, today I will show you how to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 700 headset to a PlayStation 5. First, locate the USB transmitter that came with your Turtle Beach Stealth 700. Take the transmitter and plug it into one of the USB ports on the front of your PS5. The front ports are easiest to reach and will provide a stable connection. Next, power on your headset. Press and hold the power button on the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 for a few seconds. You will notice the headset turning on. When both the headset and the transmitter are powered, they should pair automatically. You will know they are connected when the LED lights on both the transmitter and the headset show a solid color. Once the headset is paired, we need to configure the audio settings on your PS5. Go to the main menu and select Settings. Then navigate to Sound, followed by Audio Output. Here, select Output Device and choose USB Headset, which will appear as Turtle Beach Stealth 700. Next, set the output to headphones to all audio. Finally, you can adjust your microphone levels. Go back to Settings, then Sound, and select Microphone. Here, you can make sure your voice is clear and at a good volume for chat and multiplayer sessions. After these steps, your Turtle Beach Stealth 700 is fully connected and ready to use with your PS5. Thanks for watching.